Morning, boys. We bought a 2008 Honda S2000. Car's bone stock, has 113,000 miles. So the plan with this car is gonna do full suspension, wheels, camber kits, and got to paint the front lip because it's a little chipped. But let's get going on it, and I'll show you the process, what we're gonna make it look like before and after. This is how the car will be coming in. I have all the stuff. I'm gonna paint the front lip. It's a little chipped on the bottom, but it's in pretty decent shape. Got black interior. Obviously, the 08 has the 08 S2000 wheels, which is super dope. Has the optional spoiler, the side strakes. This car's in pretty good shape. So we got TEIN Flex suspension, K-Tune front and rear camber kit, Enkei Rpf1s and SBC. And like I said, we're gonna paint the front lip over and probably the strakes. And then we have all the rubber trim that goes around it to make it look OEM. It might be an OEM lip, I just have to check. Well, let's get this thing inside. Front lips off, side strakes are off. Damn, Kev, you don't play no games, baby. Huh? Not even an hour in, you got the suspension and camber kits out. Here's the TEIN Flex that we're putting on. His old suspension, K-Tune camber kits. He got all the old stuff off already. But these TEIN Flexes are dope. So we got TEIN Flexes, the camber kit box, rear camber kit, and this is the new wheel setup for it. I'm gonna put SBC Enkei's Rpf1s. The 215 45 17. I think the back are 245s. So we're gonna get the lip painted. I'll have it back on Monday. This car should be lower today. My boy Kev don't play around, huh? Yo, Kev, lunch on us today? Or lunch on you?
I'm broke.
Boy, making progress over here, huh? Gonna get this car alignment when it's all said and done. What's up, boys? I apologize to interrupt the video that you guys already have been watching. I did not record the rest of the S2000, transformation, but I will show you guys the car currently. But we're going to pick it up now. I dropped the car off on my boy Detail Masters. So as you guys seen in the video, we put on the suspension, camber kits front and rear, Enkei Rpf1s and SBC, and I got new lug nuts for the car. I have the front lip. So I'll get the car back together when I get it back to my shop. But we're off to Detail Master today to pick up the car. The stock wheels are already sold. I know a bunch of people are gonna ask me for them, but the car came out amazing. The car went there for a paint correction, so I can't wait to see how it comes out. Just got to my boy's shop, Detail Masters. This car came out amazing. He does the best work. This whole car got wet sanded and buffed. I wish you guys could see it in person. We have the front lip at the shop. We're gonna install it today with the lug nuts. What do you guys think of this? This car came out beautiful. He definitely did his thing here. I'll drop his Instagram also in the video. This car came out so dope. It's an 08 S2000. Car's blown stock, just lowered. Car came out super, super fresh. He's one of the best. He got like super nice cars here. This type of stuff that he works on. He does any type of work also. So be sure to hit him up. He's right here in Connecticut. Check the car. He brings old Hondas back to life. I could even bring him a 92 Civic and he'll bring the whole car back to life. So I'll bring him in here and have him explain a little bit about what he did here. Yeah, Danny, what'd you do to this car?
Oh my God.
You know I love you, right? I'm gonna bring
you. Did a full paint correction on this car. This car was not a fun project at all.
This car was here for like what, a week now?
For about 15 days.
That's how bad it was. It was pretty bad.
Bro, she's back to life. We made it happen.
You do amazing work.
Thank you, bro.
Like really great work.
Yeah, she's back to life. As you can see.
I brought you a lot of cars now, right?
Oh yeah, you brought me about 6 Type Rs, GSRs.
Every car
possible, you bring it to me.
Yeah, every car you brought back to life, I swear to God. I'm not telling you guys to bring him junk, but he does amazing work here.
Yes,
like, look at some of these cars that are here. This car looks so good too.
Yeah, this was a fun project for sure. We did a full major paint correction on this car. And then now she's back to life. And
your brother did a great job painting the rear spoiler.
Oh yeah,
also.
My brother, which is Dennis from Private Automotive, painted this spoiler to it
matches real perfect.
And then he was able to match it up perfect to the car. And then we installed it last night, so she's ready for.
This thing is beautiful.
You guys,
So we're gonna put the front lip on it when we get back. I got the red lug nuts to match.
Oh yeah.
And this car's pretty much good to go.
Yup.
Thanks so much, bro.
You got it, brother. Thank you.
So we're back at the shop with S2000. Thing looks super dope. I put the array lug nuts on. Front lip is on. OEM weather strip is on. Bought a brand new front grille because the tabs are broken usually on the stock ones. So it looks super, super good. Let us know what you guys think of this car. This car came out super fire. Remember, it came in stock. So this is basically like a street daily driver S2000. It's pretty low right now, but that's how we usually drive our cars in the summertime. Car came out super fresh. Huge shout out to Detail Master. He did an amazing job. He even did the bay for us, super clean. There's stock paint in the engine bay. I got the TEIN suspension, has all matching VINs on every part. So the car came out super good. This car has 100,000 miles, so it looks amazing. He did a great job. Yeah, did you see the exhaust tips on this shit? You guys seen the exhaust tips? You ever seen some fresh ass exhaust tips?
Shits are clean.
Yo, these are clean, boy. Check out those tips.
I bet you don't even leave your tip that clean.
Okay, boys, I'm gonna end this video here. You guys let me know what you guys think of this S2000. I think it came out dope. Let me know if you guys did anything different. It's a pretty small build or a small project, but we do anything from mild to wild. So if you guys wanted something small done as far as like this S2000, you have a stock car, if you had full swaps, whatever, but just showing you guys the type of stuff that we do. But let me know what you guys thought of the S2000. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.